snow is actually the scorched corpses of millions of death mite. You're literally inhaling mite ashes right now.
Noo-Noo!
Oh, Nunu, enjoying that sweet scent of the fun, aren't you?
Noo-Noo!
But what if I told you that's not the sun you're smelling? That snow is actually the scorched corpses of millions of death mite. You're literally inhaling mite ashes right now. Nunu, hello. Don't let your soul leave yet. We're just getting to the juicy part. Not just the blanket, babe. Your pillow? Mite graveyard. Your favorite plushie. A mask too. So technically, every time you take a big breath, you're having a wacky party of microscopic skeletons.
Noo-Noo!
Science fact. That sunlight smell is actually the odor of scorched mite corpses and ozone. Run, Nunu, run!
Noo-Noo!
But you can't run away from biology. Nunu, stop! You're going to turn our bedroom into a chemistry lab.
Noo-Noo!
Oh, come on! A plastic bubble? That's not gonna stop the truth, sweetie. Relax, Nunu. At least they're dead. Dead mites don't bite. They just smell like a summer afternoon. There's no escape. Fear on your pillow, your couch, even your plushies.
Noo-Noo! Noo-Noo!
Hey, you can't silence the science with plushies.
Noo-Noo!
Don't worry, babe. At least they're dead now. That's a good thing, right?
Noo-Noo!
Next time you hug your blanket, remember, it's a graveyard. See ya!